Hi everyone, Michelle Bourne here from Rightside. On the 23rd of March 2020, the revised tenancy legislation will come into effect, and there are some changes to landlord obligations in relation to the ongoing maintenance of smoke alarms. Many clients think that if they own a Strata unit, then it's the Strata manager's responsibility to look after those smoke alarms in their property. And while most Strata managers organise fire safety checks on an annual basis, all of that is actually in relation to the common area of the building, and they don't issue individual compliance certificates for each unit. So under the new legislation, landlords are obligated to ensure that an appropriately qualified person does at least an annual check on the smoke alarms in their property. So we recommend to all of our clients to subscribe to a landlord service by Smoke Alarms Australia, which is currently $99 per year. We don't have any affiliation with this company, so if you have an alternate service provider that you'd prefer to use, please let us know and we'll happily arrange this. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd be happy to help.